Welcome to the second video. In this video, you will learn more details about what we're doing today and what we're doing during all our classes. During the video, I will ask you to pause and do something while you're watching. So when I say pause, please do so and follow the task. You will need your notebook and something to write with. So if you don't have them with you, now is a good time to pause and find your notebook. Also, some of you have your notebooks here in class. If that is the case, grab a piece of paper or another notebook, and then when you have your notebook, you can paste it. So pause and look for something to write with and to write on. Great. Now let's move on. The next step is to complete the warm-up. So if you haven't done it, again, please pause the video and go to Google Classroom where you can find the warm-up. Remember, the warm-ups are the attendance. I will take attendance in class using the warm-up and the exit ticket. This way, we can know that you are with us. So, once you complete the warm-up, please move on. These are our learning objectives for today. Like every day in class, we will write the learning objectives in the notebooks. So, while you are listening to me, it's a good time to start writing. Now, what we are doing today. So, today, we are going to learn about online learning routines and expectations. Also, we are going to share what we are thinking on a Padlet, and we're going to try to join a Zoom meeting where we can see each other face to face. So, if you haven't finished copying it down, you can pause the video and finish writing the objectives. Let's talk about routines and expectations. As I already showed you briefly, all classes will start with a warm-up and end with an exit ticket, and this will be our attendance, okay? We will continue writing down daily objectives, taking notes, and doing classwork. And the notebook check will be graded. So it is very important that we continue taking notes. We will have 3 types of assessments: formative, applicative, and summative. Yes, we will have tests and quizzes on distance. I'm still trying to find a way that we can do it together, and I would like to hear your opinions on how we can conduct tests and in a way that is beneficial for both of us. And we'll also have projects that you can work on in your houses. So I think the projects will be very fun, and we'll figure out a way to make tests. And also, it is important that you join our Hangouts group. Our Hangouts group will be our main form of communication when we are in class. So you should always have this open, because this is your main way to connect with me. We will also have video conferencing, but that will be just in special occasions, not with the whole class. So our Hangouts group will be our main form of communication. Now, the first task for today is to copy down these classroom routines in your notebook. You don't have to copy word for word. You can summarize. So please, pause the video now and take notes. It is very important that you do it. Again, pause the video if you haven't and take notes. Great. Now, moving on. What are the expectations that I have for this class? It is important that we follow the honor code. You know that I trust you very much, and I hope that you have seen during class that I give you a lot of freedom to act, because I believe that the purpose of a class is to learn. And like I've said before, we are in this together. We are learning together. And now more than ever, it is important that we work with trust and honor. That means that you have to put a lot of effort and hard work and focus in making learning happen for both of us. Yes, I will be here to help you, but it will be a little bit farther away. So it's important that you are proactive, that you seek support from your peers, your parents, and from myself. And I think here is where it will be one great opportunity for us to learn new skills, because it is very important that we learn how to be self-directed. So I think this is a great opportunity for us to work together. Also, can you please copy this down in your notebook? Now, let's move on. First, how are you feeling? I want to know what you are feeling. I want to get inside your mind. So please share with me. How will we do it? We will share a Padlet. Okay? So now in the Google Classroom, you have a link to the Padlet. It's in the post. And here we will share what we are feeling and what we are thinking. Use these questions now in the slides to guide your thinking, and please answer them in the Padlet so that we can share what is going on inside of us. I want to know, are you feeling confident? Are you feeling afraid? Are you feeling strong? Are you feeling weak? What is going on in your mind? Please share with me. I can also share with you. So this will be our first task. So now, pause the video, change the window, let's go to Google Classroom, and let's share the videos in our Padlets. Okay? Great. Now that we have shared, let's try to get this working. Let's try to get this Zoom meeting working. Okay? So in the Google Classroom, there is also a link to a Zoom website. Yes, I would say it's a website. And here we can find a video conference, like a Skype, but with a lot of people. So go to Google Classroom and follow the link, and let's try to make it work. Okay? And to finish, the exit ticket for today will be the notes that you took today. So please take a picture of your notes and upload them to Google Classroom. And this will be the exit ticket of the day. So I hope you have enjoyed this class, and please let me know not only today but all the time what you are thinking and how we can improve.